Welcome back to Legendary Machine, where engineering meets passion, and where the icons of mobility are brought back to life for the modern world. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most unexpected revivals in automotive history. The 2026 Citroën DS21, a name that once symbolized futuristic design, advanced engineering, and smooth, flowing elegance has returned, not as a nostalgic copy, but as a bold reinterpretation of everything the DS stood for: comfort, innovation, and character. The first impression of the 2026 DS21 is striking. Citroën didn't just rework the silhouette of the legendary 1955 DS, they reimagined it. The iconic teardrop shape is there, but now refined with sharp creases, active aerodynamic elements, and flowing LED strips that give it an unmistakably modern edge. The front fascia combines retro cues with futuristic ambition. Slim adaptive matrix headlights stretch from the sharply contoured hood to the edges of the bumper, and beneath them, the classic Citroën double chevron floats within a crystal clear panel, a nod to heritage and progress at Encrum. The side, the long wheelbase, and the fluidity of the profile scream elegance. The body rides low, thanks to its advanced electro-hydraulic suspension system, a spiritual successor to the original's hydropneumatic system. Citroën brings back that same magic carpet feel, only this time, it's digitally controlled and road sensing in real time. The hidden door handles, flush glass, and sculpted fenders all contribute to a coefficient of drag that rivals electric supercars. Even the wheels are works of kinetic art, 20-inch aero-optimized alloys that channel air smoothly along the body. Round the back, and you're greeted by a sweeping rear end that's both daring and elegant. The full-width taillight bar mimics the curvature of the roofline, while integrated aero flaps adjust dynamically with speed. Twin chrome exhaust surrounds at the bottom. Yes, this car still breathes combustion. Remind you that the DS21 isn't just a design icon, but a performance machine in disguise. Under the hood, Citroën has taken a brave path. Rather than going fully electric, the DS21 uses a cutting-edge plug-in hybrid powertrain, a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 mated to dual electric motors delivers a combined 430 horsepower. This allows the DS21 to sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just under 4.8 seconds. Remarkable for a car that weighs close to 2 tons due to its luxury appointments and battery pack. Yet performance is smooth, not aggressive. The transitions between gas and electric are seamless. In electric-only mode, you can glide silently for up to 80 kilometers, making it a strong urban companion. But on open roads, the combination of the responsive turbo and the instant torque of the electric motors brings power on demand. Always silky, always confident. He ride though, that's where this machine becomes truly legendary. The active suspension maps the road 500 times per second, anticipating bumps, dips, and curves. You don't drive this car. You glide effortlessly. Steering is light but precise. Braking is progressive. And cornering? The DS21 feels like it's leaning into every bend with you. Balanced, composed, and unfazed. It doesn't roar. It whispers its presence, in total control. Inside, the DS21 continues its unique blend of tradition and futurism. Citroën has gone for a minimalist, lounge-like interior. The dashboard is a floating panel wrapped in sustainable Alcantara and real wood veneer. A 12.5-inch old driver display and a central 15-inch floating infotainment tablet dominate the front cabin. But everything is integrated with an artistic touch. Ambient lighting pulses gently with the rhythm of the drive, and the seats, oh, the seats, are the true stars. Wide, enveloping, and finished in fine recycled leather. They adjust in 14 directions and even offer temperature balancing zones. There's room for 4 adults in absolute comfort, and sound insulation is world-class. You're cocooned in tranquility. Even the voice assistant feels different, calm, personalized, and intuitive, as if it understands the poetic rhythm of the DS legacy. And yes, the steering wheel, it's not round. It's a single-spoke rectangle, just like the original DS, reminding you this isn't just any luxury cruiser, this is a modern art piece on wheels. The 2026 Citroën DS21 isn't just a car. It's a resurrection of a dream, a living tribute to what happens when engineering meets imagination. In a world obsessed with aggressive performance and digital overload, this machine dares to be elegant, intelligent, and beautifully different.